Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Edelman. I wanted to welcome you to EEC 3400, Family Literacy and the Young Child. I'll be your professor this semester. I'm looking forward to meeting you all virtually and some of you face-to-face if you are local in Miami. I wanted to go over some important concepts in the syllabus so that we're clear on what my expectations are of you in this course and the assignments, due dates, textbook information, and all of that. So I'm going to take a few minutes just to talk about some of these things. First, in order for you to be successful in this course, it really depends on you, your time management skills, your content knowledge, and how hard you work, because this is a self-paced course where I'm going to give you a large chunk of assignments and you are responsible for turning those in at the correct due date. And I feel that everybody should be able to turn assignments in on time, because when you are getting into the professional world, kids' development does not stop because you are late. If you miss important deadlines, it can really impact children and families for the rest of their lives. So it's important to do that starting now. So that being said, I will give you weekly videos where I explain every assignment, my expectations for that assignment in detail, just to be more clear about what you're supposed to be turning in. And as always, if you have any kind of questions or concerns, I'm available via Blackboard message. That's my preferred method of communication, but you can also contact me in my office number or my email, and I also will set up Skype meetings or face-to-face meetings if needed. So before I continue, I want to tell you that the textbook is available for free through the FIU library. It's an electronic version. I really do hope that you all take advantage of this, because textbooks are expensive, and especially this one, I don't want you to have to pay for it when the resource is available to you. So do access the electronic version for free. Throughout this semester, and it's a pretty intensive 6-week semester, so you're going to find yourself doing a good amount of work in 6 weeks, whereas other semesters would be 3 months. This one is pretty expedited and intensive. Throughout the semester, you're going to be asked to use various programs to demonstrate your knowledge of the content. Now, these programs are usually technology-based. I'm going to have you record videos of yourself. I'm going to have you do reflections, do sock puppet applications. So in any case that you have issues with these applications or tech approaches, I want you to contact me. And if the issues are that grave, you can always search for another application that does a similar task as the one that I suggested to you. I'm not married to these applications. It's not important that you use the exact application that I'm giving you if it doesn't vibe with your computer. You know how some of those things kind of happen. Just make sure that you find an application that's similar and that has the same end result of what I'm asking for. I just ultimately want you to demonstrate your knowledge, and I'm asking that you use these programs to kind of make it less mundane, because online learning can get a little tiresome, and I don't want you to have to write paper after paper, so I want to keep it a little bit new and fun for you. My expectations of you guys: first, I need to make sure that you all have access to Blackboard, that you have access to Blackboard messages. This is how I'm going to be sending out very important messages from the course. I'm going to send you all of my video explanations this way. So if you don't have access to it, you're going to miss a lot of important information, and this is here to help you. Again, I typically, at the end of every semester, I have a student that said that they did not get any of my messages, and it's going to be through Blackboard. So make sure that you can access your Blackboard messages. Also, I expect that you log in at least twice a week. This is an intensive course. You need to stay very current with all the information that I'm putting out. And also, just make sure that you are on top of every single message that I'm sending you, because some things will change. Maybe dates will change based on however the semester is rolling. I feed off of how well you guys are doing. If I get feedback, I will change things. That's the kind of professor I am, so please do stay current and updated with my messages to you. In the syllabus, you're going to find a lot of information on academic misconduct, which is a large problem in online learning especially. I have a very low tolerance level to any kind of misconduct, cheating, sharing answers. I've caught many people in the past, and I don't have much leniency when it comes to this. So don't do it. If I find or I think that you're doing it, I'll call you in. If I have proof or any kind of evidence of you doing it, you will fail the course. You will not be able to make up the grade because these types of behaviors cannot be tolerated. It's not fair to other students that are really putting forth the effort to learn the content. So don't do it. Don't test me on it. This is where I'm very strict. But in all other aspects of the course, I'm very receptive to your feedback. So please do contact me with any kind of questions or concerns. In your discussion forum, you're going to be asked to discuss certain issues and respond to your students, your fellow students. And I want you to use the ladder of feedback, which has a structure of value, clarify, raise questions or concerns, and then provide suggestions. This is going to be like a real discussion where you're face to face. I don't want you just to say, yes, I agree, great going, because there's not much content in that response. I want you to use the ladder of feedback because it's really structuring the response to have more bread in it, to have more content. Late work is not accepted unless there is a very compelling and grave reason, which means I need some kind of documentation that something really big happened that was unavoidable by you. But if you're just forgetting or you're not staying on top of your dates or managing your time wisely, I will not be accepting your late work. And all in all, late work really does hurt you in the end. So please stay on top of your dates. This is a task stream course, so you're going to be asked to submit 2 video reflections to task stream. I will go more into the video reflections and what I'm expecting of you when the time comes. I'm not going to give you too much information right now. But you will know that every week I'm going to send out some details on video detail explanations of every single assignment that's due, including the larger assignments. So you'll have the written explanation, you're going to have my explanation with different examples that are there to aid you in your success in this course. When you need to contact me, like I said, you can contact me through Blackboard message first. I'm typically very responsive via Blackboard message. If you have to, you can contact me via email, but try Blackboard message first. Make sure that you're using the model email structure, which is dear professor, dear doctor, dear whatever. Make sure that you're using kind of a respectful salutation, and then state your case, discuss whatever it is, the issue that you're having, and then sign your name. I know it sounds pretty intuitive, but you would be surprised. A lot of students do not sign their names to emails, do not typically follow the professional structure to emails. And when you get used to sending emails like that to like friends, when you're in the professional realm, you're going to start doing that as well, and it doesn't reflect good on you. So I want you to make sure to structure your emails in a certain professional manner. So you can email me. You can set up meetings with me. I'm available Skype. I'm available Adobe Connect. We have an Adobe Connect meeting if you would like to attend on Wednesday between 12:30 and 1:30. I'm going to send you a link so you can ask me questions directly. Anything that you need clarified, I'll be available. And of course, I have office hours by appointment only over the summer at FIU, the main campus. So if you need to, I can meet with you face to face as well. I know this is a lot of information, but deep breath and you can do this. This is a great class. You're going to get a lot of good content out of it, and I'm just looking forward to meeting you all. So again, if you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact me.